Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'll teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to Viewster. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.viewster.com and hit enter. As you can see on my screen, once you search for the Viewster website, you'll be directed to the contv.com website. This is because once known Viewster is now known as ConTV. So for you to sign up to the ConTV or Viewster website, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the sign up button. You'll have to click on that. Once you click on the sign up button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll see a form. In this form, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your first name, last name, email, password. You'll have to confirm your password. You'll have to click on this option and then click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, and if you have filled in all those credentials correctly, an account for you on the Viewster or ConTV website will be automatically made. I hope this video helped you to sign up or create an account on the ConTV or Viewster website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.